Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Team. Today I'll show you how to configure Microsoft Outlook email. Go to your Gmail, then click Setting, See All Setting, Forwarding and POP, Enable IMAP. Now save change. Now go to your Outlook, then click File, Add Account, Manual Setup, Next, POP or IMAP. Now write your email name, write your email address. Now incoming mail server would be pop.gmail.com. Outgoing server smtp.gmail.com. Now write the password of your Gmail. Then click More Setting. Go to Outgoing server. Then mark the first one. Then go to Advanced. Mark this one. Then on the None, click SSL. Change the value 25 to 465. Server timeout 10 minutes. Click OK. Now click Next. Now it will automatically progress. If everything is right, then your email would be configured. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe.